Hi everyone, just a quick video on cleaner number 3. Okay, so cleaner number 3 is our heavy duty degreaser. Okay, this is probably our flagship product and it's the most powerful cleaner that we sell. Okay, number 3 is pH 12, so it's quite a strong product. So we recommend it for the deep cleaning of any tiles and grout, porcelain and slate, quarry tiles, Victorian floors, and also any unpolished stone or surfaces. Okay, we don't recommend it for polished surfaces. Okay, because from the testing that we've done with many years of experience, we've found that certain veins, minerals in limestone, marble, some polished surfaces, it can actually just dull it down. Okay, so if you have got a really bad polished surface that you need a deep clean on, just get in touch. One of the technical guys can just advise you on a safer route where you're not affecting the shine, okay, still to achieve the results. But number 3, okay, its strongest dilution that it can be used at is sort of around 1 to 3. We recommend using it at sort of 1 to 5 or 1 to 10, so it goes quite a long way. Okay, it's quite a foamy product, it's got a lot of soap in there, that's what gives it its power. If you are running it through sort of an extraction machine, a wet vacuum, something like that, we'd maybe recommend that you just use an element of an anti-foam. Okay, but it's a very powerful product. It does exactly what it says on the tin, and it's one of our go-to products for a lot of our trade guys. A lot of the professionals, when everything else fails, they turn to number 3. Okay, we get phone calls every week with people saying I've been in the industry for 30 years, I've been cleaning the same floor for the past 5-10 years and nothing's ever touched it. I was given a sample of your number 3 and it just made the dirt just melt away. Okay, so please get in touch, we've got samples, it's a very powerful product and I'd love everyone to have a try and give us your feedback on it. Again, I'll post some pictures now of some results from our trade customers, so this isn't what we've achieved, this is what guys out in the field are achieving with it. Okay, but it's a very versatile product. It can be used with just a hand brush, it can be used with a scrubbing machine, our TileMaster machine, or something like our book kit. Okay, so it's very easy. Like I say, always pre-test because it is quite a strong product. What you don't want to be doing is using it on a polished surface, cleaning it away and then finding that it's taken the shine off. Okay, so if you've got any queries, again, get in touch with the technical guys, let them have a look at the tile in question and we can advise the best route forward. Okay, you can also follow the charts and that will tell you if it can be used on the surface that's in question. Okay, again, it can be used anywhere around the home, whether it's in the kitchen, hallway, bathroom, something like that. It's very good at removing what we call, like organic food, greasy stains, stuff like that. Okay, it's not that effective on sort of builder's dust, plaster or grout haze. That's where we use number 4. Okay, but number 3, anything dirty, greasy, foot traffic, whether it's commercial building, a home, something like that, it's a phenomenal product. Like I said, get in touch if you want a sample, we can get that sent out. But yeah, number 3, like I say, our flagship product, it does what it says on the tin. Okay, if you've got any more questions, feel free to get in touch or call us on 0161 444 0377. Okay, check out YouTube for more videos. Find us on Facebook. If you're a trade guy, check out our trade page on TileMaster Professional Network, and then we can you'll see more of the guys in the industry that are using it. Okay, thanks for listening.